Hey guys, so in this video I'll quickly compare the Unihertz Tank X, the latest rugged phone from Unihertz, with the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra. These two rugged phones are among the best rugged phones of all time, especially the Armor 29 Ultra. The device is kind of like the king of rugged devices. The Armor 28 Ultra and the 29 Ultra are the most powerful rugged phones ever. Both are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. So when it comes to performance, there is no rugged phone that comes close, guys. Let's quickly compare the Armor 29 Ultra with the Unihertz Tank X. It's going to be a quick specs comparison video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Unihertz Tank X versus the Armor 29 Ultra. Personally, I prefer the Armor 29 Ultra because I'm kind of like the gaming type. And if you really want to enjoy gaming on a device, you need a device with a flagship tier processor. And that is something that the Armor 29 Ultra has. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. So if you need a rugged phone with top tier performance and a really large battery, the Armor 29 Ultra is just the device you need. But this is just my opinion. Feel free to share your thoughts, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.